Babbel, Pimsleur, and Rosetta Stone are 3 of the most recommended French apps out there, and they teach completely differently. Pick the wrong one for how your brain works, and you won't just waste money, you'll get so frustrated with French that you'll want to quit altogether. I spent months inside all 3, and here's exactly which one is right for you. So let's dive in, starting with a really organized app that guides you through a step-by-step approach to learning French, which is Babbel. Lessons only take about 10 to 15 minutes, but they go surprisingly in-depth. In a single session, you're listening to new vocabulary, repeating it, typing it, and tracking a mock dialogue. The variety keeps things interesting and moving through the same material from several different angles, which really does help new words stick. Babbel will work for you if you want clear, direct instruction without long grammar lessons. You first encounter new concepts and context by seeing how phrases are actually used in the middle of a dialogue. Immediately afterwards, you get a quick explanation telling you exactly how it works. French has tons of irregular verbs and gendered nouns that can get confusing quite fast. So constantly reading clear grammar tips really helped me keep everything straight. For organized personalities, you'll appreciate Babbel's spaced repetition. Instead of having you study long vocab lists, Babbel strategically brings words back up at timed intervals right when your brain is ready to lock them into long-term memory. It's an efficient system, and it's also flexible, as you can choose whether you prefer to review using flashcards, listening, speaking, or writing. I went about 5 weeks without doing any outside vocabulary review at all, just relying on Babbel's built-in system. And I was surprised by how many new words I was remembering. That said, the Babbel curriculum tops out at intermediate, so if you're ready for more advanced work, you'll quickly run out of new material. Here's who Babbel does work well for: anyone who's intimidated by the idea of speaking French aloud. Their AI conversation tool, Babbel Speak, walks you through guided conversations with step-by-step prompts and real-time pronunciation feedback. All of that support makes Babbel Speak much more approachable than free-form conversation. Then again, the structured approach to speaking practice doesn't prepare you for unpredictable real-world conversations with native French speakers. It's more of an intro tool, so if you're hoping to have easy, natural conversations in a few months, you may need support from other tools. Babbel is a solid fit for anyone who prefers a slower start to speaking practice where you're getting a lot of help along the way while also building confidence. Babbel will cost you about $8 to $15 per month, depending on length of access. If you want to try it, I've got a 55% off link in the description. Now, you've probably heard that the best way to learn a language is by picking it up naturally, the way you learned English as a child. If the idea of immersion resonates with you, then you may want to check out Rosetta Stone. During a Rosetta Stone lesson, you'll listen to a French phrase, look at a set of images, and click the matching picture. There aren't any English translations or grammar explanations. You simply absorb new words and phrases through repeated exposure and visual cues. So does their method really work? I spent months using Rosetta Stone French, and the first thing that struck me was the excellent pronunciation feedback. Their true accent technology listens to you speak and won't let you move on until you've nailed each sound. That's critical when you're trying to figure out the nasal vowels and silent letters that can make French so challenging. And all of Rosetta Stone's tech is top-notch. They just redesigned the Rosetta Stone platform in 2026 to make everything cleaner and more intuitive. And the new Sapphire Studio adds in AI tools for making custom flashcard sets on any topic you want, plus extra conversation practice and help with real-world writing tasks. But all of these features won't mean much if the immersion approach simply leaves you frustrated and confused. I'll be honest, French grammar is not intuitive. There's a lot to figure out, like past participle agreement rules, and some learners struggle with the lack of direct grammar tips. For other people, building associations between words and images feels natural. One final caveat: the lessons take about an hour from start to finish, which isn't a problem if you have the time, but it does make Rosetta Stone a little harder to fit into a tight schedule. Still, if you're a visual learner who needs to see what you're learning, there's a good chance that Rosetta Stone will click for you. Rosetta Stone costs about $10 to $15 a month, depending on the plan. If you want to give them a try, I've got a 25% off link in the description. So what if you're less focused on getting the verbs just right, and your main goal is to easily speak French? Enter Pimsleur. The main curriculum is entirely audio. A moderator walks you through a native French conversation, asks you questions in the middle of the scene, and expects you to answer aloud. Babbel Speak provides prompts and clues. Pimsleur gives you nothing to go on. You either answer in French or you don't. That discomfort is the whole point. as the more times you push through it inside a Pimsleur lesson, the easier it gets when you're in an actual conversation. I have to say though, if you're the kind of person who likes to know you're always getting it right, you might not love the lack of grammar instruction. Similar to Rosetta Stone, Pimsleur expects you to pick up word patterns naturally, just by noticing and repeating the constructions you're hearing. So if you're a more concrete learner who needs grammar explained directly, Babbel is the better fit. That said, I'm a fan of the Pimsleur method. I used Pimsleur's French course for about 6 weeks, and the screen-free audio lessons easily fit into my routine. I felt productive knocking out lessons while doing laundry or walking my dog. By the end of the first month, I felt like I was starting to understand real French. I could turn on a French podcast and pick up familiar words and phrases, and I even started thinking up responses in French on my own. My French was by no means perfect, but it was intuitive, like a real skill I could actually use. One more downside I have to be upfront about is that Pimsleur costs more than both Babbel and Rosetta Stone. Pimsleur French is about $20 a month, so it's not cheap, which is why I recommend starting out with a 7-day free trial to test the waters out before paying. I've got a link to the free trial in the description. So here's my honest take on all three. Babbel is my recommendation for most people learning French. The 15-minute lessons are doable for everyone. The grammar instruction is clear without being excessive, and the spaced repetition makes memorization easy. Babbel covers all of the bases: reading, writing, listening, and speaking, while flexing around your learning style. To me, the main exceptions are visual learners and people who want to give immersion a shot. If that's you, Rosetta Stone has a long history of success, and they're constantly updating their technology to stay modern. And finally, if speaking is your primary goal, choose Pimsleur. Their program is a challenge, but it'll get you conversational the fastest. For everybody else, especially beginners who feel intimidated learning a new language, Babbel is your safest pick. They make learning French doable while helping you make real progress and stay motivated so you won't give up. For more language learning reviews and comparison charts, just check out testprepinsight.com. We give away a free language learning subscription every month. Drop a comment below to enter and tell me which one you're leaning toward. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.